Are you looking for roller blinds? Because Easy Blinds have all sorts of trendy blinds. Take these. This is a sweet setup of block-out roller blinds. They call them that because they block out light and UV. These beauties come in all sorts of colours, like this. These sunscreen fabrics come in a range of percentages. Percentage standing for the amount of light that shines through. Sunscreens are private throughout the day. However, at night, when your lights are on, they can be see-through. Easy Blinds also sell light filters which let sunlight in but are private day and night. So for the best range of blinds, call the team at Easy Blinds or check out easyblinds.co.nz.